Sorry, I ain't got no money, I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today.
Fullback chiming into the back line. Used to hear it a lot, didn't you, back in the old days? But you don't hear it much anymore. Can you give us one? A fullback chiming into the back line? Next time it happens. Get behind it, Luke! Connor! Just nostalgia. You don't hear it anymore.
Look at this dropout, which has gone 60 metres. Latrell Mitchell, and taken back by Robbie Rocco, who played the ball 35 out from the Roosters try line. It's Turner. That's the second on the set. Middle of the ground, 25 out again with Rocco. Former Newcastle player. Cookaroos for Musgrove. In for Reynolds. It's a little
Sit in front.
pulled down by all.